Hey there, this is Brian from Inspect KC. I wanted to get on here and make a fast video just to show you a great report tool that a lot of people don't know about that comes free with your Inspect KC home inspection report. So as you can see, we're looking at a sample home inspection that we created. This looks just like the home inspection report that you'll see whenever we send over your inspection. You see up in the top right hand corner, you have report tools. These tools help you to ask for credits or repairs based on your home inspection report. So what you see is the first option is the observations, copy and paste text. So basically what this means is if your inspector made an observation where they recommended a repair, this creates a list of every one of those in a simple copy-paste format. So that way you can copy these off of the report and then paste them directly into your resolution of unacceptable conditions. This way you're not having to type out everything. But the next option, Repair Request Builder, is actually the tool I wanted to show you about. So I'm going to click into the Repair Request Builder, and what you can see is that you have every defect with the home shown on this page. You have the option to name the document whatever you'd like. In this case, we've called it the Repair Request List. This way, if you wanted to create the document, you could refer to this document by name in your resolution of unacceptable conditions. You also have the option of sorting the document as far as the order that the defects are in. You can also add a bit of text at the top. For instance, all repairs to be performed by qualified professionals. So as we move through here, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can use this tool. So in this case, this home has some rotten windows. So we will select this. You can choose to either ask for a credit or you can make a comment. In this case, we're going to ask for, oh, I thought I had copied the correct text. All right. So we're going to say in this case, affected windows to be replaced. Please provide all warranty info and receipts. And then these buttons say replace or repair, so you could just quickly add replacement requested. Now let's say for this case, for some reason, like let's say you decide you want to replace the handrail yourself, or some other reason you just want to ask for money. So in this case, we're going to ask for $250, and we're going to blame that $250 essentially on the fact that this handrail is decayed. And if you wanted to say, okay, we're also going to get the garage doors serviced, and that service is going to cost $200, so we're going to ask for another $200 here. Now, obviously you can go in, you can play around, you can add, you can remove, you can change the wording. You can do this unlimited times and continually preview and create new PDFs based on how you want this thing to look. And so you can try it out, play with it, try out different text, what you'd like. But at the end of the day, here's what your document is going to look like. Here's your name, your title, repair request list for your address. The window rot, so it shows them where in the report this is located. It gives them the photos that we have, and then it says affected windows to be replaced. Please provide the warranty info and receipts. For the handrail wood decay, we want $250, and for the garage door not working properly, we want $200. Total credit requested is $450 because it's the 200 plus the 250, and then you have the explanation of the repair. So this is a great tool to be able to accompany your resolution. As the home buyer, if you'd like to fill this out, you could send this over to the agent and say, hey, here's what we're thinking. This kind of gives you a way to organize your thoughts, organize what it is that you would like to request or have a credit for. And then whenever we go back over here, if you create, it actually generates a PDF you can download, email, or text wherever you'd like.